Francis C. Arnaiz, born June 4, 1951, is a Filipino former basketball player. He is best known for his career in the PBA, playing for Toyota and Ginebra. San Miguel from 1975 to 1986. Arnaiz had a love for sports and would shoot stuffed toys into a basket during his early childhood. While studying at La Salle Bacolod in elementary school, he competed in both football and basketball. Football provided him with speed and exceptional footwork, skills that would later contribute to his development as an outstanding basketball player. He led his high school, St. Clement's Academy of La Paz, Iloilo City, to the Press A basketball championship. In college, he played for Ateneo de Manila, which won the 1969 basketball championship during his rookie year. In 1971, he began playing in the Manila Industrial and Commercial Athletic Association MICA, first with the Meralco Ready Kilowatts. In 1971, the Uautex Weavers in 1972, and the Toyota Comets in 1973. He was a member of the Philippine men's national basketball team that won the 1973 ABC Championship and competed in the 1974 FIBA World Championship. Arnaiz was one of the original members of the Toyota franchise that joined the newly formed Philippine Basketball Association PBA. In 1975, along with Robert Jaworski and Raymond Fernandez, he formed the Troika of the vaunted Toyota Offense. In fact, among the three players, he would have been the first to have won the Most Valuable Player MVP award right in the very first season of the league in 1975, when media covering the PBA named him as the Basketball Player of the Year, despite the fact that Boggs Adornado was the one named PBA MVP that year. During his Toyota years, the franchise won 9 PBA titles while having memorable battles against arch-rival Crispa Redmanizers, going head-to-head, on and off the court, with Crispa's Bernie Fabiosa. Arnaiz became one of the most popular players on the team not only for his playing style, but also for his mestizo looks, which gained him a following among the female fans. He earned the nickname Mr. Clutch for his uncanny ability to deliver under pressure, consistently sinking crucial baskets in the game's most pivotal moments. Renowned for his looping layups that defied defenders, whether towering imports or local giants, and his thunderous long-range shots, he became a nightmare for any defense. After Toyota disbanded in 1984, Arnaiz followed Jaworski in a controversial move to Gilby's Gin, now known as Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Reprising their old backcourt partnership in Toyota, the duo turned the Gins into a perennial contender. However, he was sidelined due to a knee injury and was placed in the injured list, but was part of the lineup during the early part of 1986 Open Conference when Ginebra San Miguel won its first PBA title. He quietly retired from basketball shortly afterwards. He won 10 championships in his illustrious PBA career, 9 with Toyota and 1 with Ginebra San Miguel. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.